Hey there, friends! Today I'm excited to share something special with you. A beautiful peony flower that was kindly picked to me by my amazing neighbor. Ayan, Grandma is carefully picking those beautiful peonies na hindi pa masyadong malaki para magkasya siya dito sa butas.
Merci
Voilà, ça y
beaucoup.
Voyons, il faut y aller avec. Ouais.
Yay! Yay!
In life, may mga bagay talagang kahit hindi natin hinihingi, ibibigay sa atin. Kaya marunong po tayong mag-appreciate. Bago mangyari ang lahat, our conversation was started with a simple hello. And then I told her, "Wow, you have a lot of beautiful peony flowers." And then she smiled at me. After noon, marami pa po siyang chika pero hindi ko naintindihan. Kaya yung ginawa ko, smile and then yes, yes. Yes lang po ako ng yes.
Como plante? Ano?
Oui. On va essayer celle-là.
Hein? Merci beaucoup.
On va rentrer juste. Celle-là.
Merci beaucoup, Madame. Bonne journée.